Welcome to Jasper.AI, the leader in data privacy and security. In this video, we'll provide a brief overview of Jasper.AI's importance in data privacy and security. At Jasper.AI, we take data privacy seriously. We comply with industry standards and regulations, use encryption and secure data storage, and implement strict access control measures. We regularly test and audit our security to ensure it's up to par. In addition to our approach to data privacy, we also prioritize data security. We use advanced threat detection and prevention measures, regularly update our software and patches, and have disaster recovery and business continuity plans in place. Our employees also undergo ongoing training and awareness to stay up to date on the latest security threats. Our commitment to transparency sets us apart from our competitors. We have clear and concise privacy policies, manage data subject rights and requests, communicate regularly with customers regarding data privacy and security incidents, and promptly report any breaches or incidents. At Jasper.AI, we have a competitive advantage in data privacy and security. We have advanced technology and expertise in data privacy and security, a customer-centric approach, and strong partnerships with industry leaders in cybersecurity and data privacy. In conclusion, we hope this video has provided insight into Jasper.AI's approach to data privacy and security and our commitment to transparency. Don't leave your data to chance. Engage with Jasper.AI for optimal data privacy and security measures.